How to fix Facebook Lite. Preparing, please wait. Error. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the preparing, please wait. Try switching to Wi-Fi and restarting the app to resolve the issue error on Facebook Lite. So if your app isn't loading and you're stuck on that screen even after switching Wi-Fi or restarting the app, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Facebook Lite. If you see the Update button, go ahead and tap it. Updating the app often fixes bugs and loading issues. Next, let's clear some stored data. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap Apps, then tap Manage Apps. In the search bar, type Lite, then select Facebook Lite. From here, tap Storage and tap Clear Data, then tap Clear Cache, then confirm by selecting OK. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your messages. It just removes temporary files. Now go back and tap Force Stop, then confirm by selecting OK. This closes the app completely so it can restart fresh. Once that's done, head back to your home screen and restart your phone by holding the power button. After your device turns back on, open Facebook Lite again, and the issue should be completely fixed, and that's it. This method works in most cases to get rid of the preparing please wait problem and get your Facebook Lite running smoothly again. If this helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.